Let's see. Yo, yeah, this is crazy. I think that might have been the fix, guys. What's up, guys, man? Next day here, man. I was actually messing with the truck earlier this morning, and then I just hit YouTube and Google and started typing in some stuff. Found a few people that was having the same symptoms as me, and the thing with mine was it was like shifting gears, but when it stopped shifting gears, you had to turn the car off and wait for a few seconds for it to reset, and then it'll kick back into gear, and then you'll be able to go on about your way. Now, the transmission fluid that was leaking, it does have an overflow, and I did put a lot in there. I was just like, man, forget it. If it's going, you feel me, I got to get back to where I need to get to. I didn't know if it had any in there or not. You know, I was just like, hey, whatever. But with that being said, man, I'm thinking it's gonna be that speed sensor, or at least I'm hoping so. If it is, then hey, it saved us a ton of money, and freaking we can go on about our day, and we can get this thing sold and still get something newer. We can sell it for more, and we can put that money right on a whole nother truck. So that's what the plan is. That's what my hopes are for, at least. But we'll see what happens, man. Alrighty, guys, we just made it to the dealer. You guys know I've been wanting a truck. I don't even know why they sent me up here knowing I want a truck, but man, let's get our parts first and go on about our day, dog. We got the part, the speed sensor, the input and output speed sensor assembly. So let's hope this works. So I'm glad I confirmed, because that was definitely the wrong part. This is the one we need. This is the one with the thread. So we'll go home and try this out. Now that we got our part, we can check out a couple of trucks. This is the new Suburban 2021 Suburban 4-wheel drive Z71. They want $68,000. That's it. I swear, I feel like everything is getting more expensive. So like all the new cars, if you want a brand new car, you're gonna be spending about 60 grand. A good 60. They got the High Country. I like this. I like that one right there. This black one is nice. But I'm actually looking for a pickup. I don't really want a nothing like that. Let's see what kind of pickups they got real quick. Dang, they got the 2500 HD Z71. Now, of course, this would be ideal, but I just feel like this is more than enough truck for me. And that's 75,000. I feel like it's more than enough truck, but it looks good up in here. I mean, we can definitely throw the whole bike up in there and be good to go. But I'm thinking I'm looking for more of like a Silverado like this, to be honest with you. Oh, here we go. I see the sticker in the window. Let's see. They want 53,000. Yeah, I'm gonna be at a Copart getting my Silverado, because these are entirely too much, man. At 50,000, I'm good, man. They can have it. They got the regular basic one, 46. That thing is still expensive. I'm good. What y'all think though, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. What would you do? Alrighty, guys, we have made it back to the crib. Let's hop under this truck. Hopefully we don't get soaked by transmission fluid, but let's find the sensor and go from there. Alrighty, so we have found the sensor right here. You guys can see it's like literally mud and stuff all over it. Wouldn't be surprised if that is the reason it's bad. So let's clear it off and pop it out and get it together. So we got the plug out. Can set that up top. Now we got to get this sensor out right here. It's like full of dirt. We have our 19. Let's see if we can work it on here somehow. Gotta probably clip all this dirt. Hold on, let me go get a flathead or something, man. It's too much dirt. Alright, so we got the sensor, ouch, pretty much loose. Pull this thing out. So we got the new plug in there. Everything is secure. Only if it was this easy. Let's try it out and see what happens. Oh, I don't even have the keys. Alrighty, guys, this is like The moment of truth. Now I know it's gonna shift into gear. I don't really want to go far, but we'll see what happens, man. It's worth a shot. It's worth a shot. Let's see. I honestly don't think it's gonna be that much of an easy fix, but we shall see. It's crazy. As much as I want to take this on the street, I think I'm gonna just take it around the complex really quick and see what happens. Okay. We got some shifting. We got smoother shifting now. I can't even lie to you, brother. We got some smooth shifting now, so let's see. Yo, yeah, this is crazy. I think that might have been the fix, guys. Now, I really got to test it out on the freeway and everything else, but just from what I'm doing right now, man, it's doing better than it was before because it wasn't even holding into drive for this long. So I think that might have been the fix. I think it might have, dog. I'm gonna go back around and go lock the house up and then go take this on a drive. But man, it's rolling so far, so we'll see. We shall see. We got a little. Uh-oh. Never mind. Spoke too soon. Spoke too soon. Yep, I spoke too soon, y'all. See if it even goes in a one or anything. Okie doke. In the middle. Gotta wait for a sec. Wait for a sec, wait for a sec, wait for a sec. Then we're back in gear. So I don't know if you guys know the issue with that or what. One of you guys, man, let me know what's up. What are your thoughts in the comments below? Even that quick, it's not even going in drive or reverse. So now we gotta put it in park, turn it off. Turn it back on. Put it in reverse and get in gear. Yeah, I don't know if it's something electrical. I don't know, man. If you guys have any idea, man, what it is, let me know in the comments below, dog. So yeah, much as I thought that was gonna work, it was never gonna be that simple. But you know, it was worth a shot. Either a new transmission or get rid of the truck, man. I'm pretty sure I got my mind made up. We'll see though. Alrighty guys, next morning here. The sensor did not work out yesterday, but we got the truck sold and it's out of here. It's a done data. So with that said, we are tidying the Harleys up, man, trying to clean up shop, trying to get everything situated in here and get the next item out. So we'll see. Trying to get one more bike out and then we're gonna go get a nice truck. At least that's the plan. Hoping everything works out just like that. So we'll see what happens though. Alrighty guys, we just finished up cleaning the bike up, cleaning it off and whatnot. Man, that thing is sparkling. Looking good. Got this thing looking all fresh to death. Alrighty, so we just got these things wiped down, cleaned up, good to go. It's time to go get the vet the same way, man. Yes, sir. She is ready for me. Warming up. Knocking the water off the pipes. You feel me? Alrighty, we have made it to the car wash. Man, look at the dirt packed on this thing. I literally have not washed this car in about maybe a month or so. Yeah, my guess is about a good month. And it's finally time to get this thing shining, man. So with that being said, let's get this thing cleaned up, dog. Man, we got this thing all freaking tidied up, looking good, clean and shined up, man. I love the body lines on this thing when it is clean. Just looks like a totally different car. Now, I remember I was saying I was gonna get some wheels for this thing, but I don't know, we gotta solidify another investment first. But these things are looking good right now. I can't even hold you. I'm digging it. What y'all think, man? Let me know in the comments below. So, alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you're looking for some merch, be sure to tune into everythingsregular.com. We got hats, we got masks, we got shirts, we got shorts, whatever you need, man. If your car is smelling, we got the fresheners to keep that thing smelling good, man. So without further ado, I appreciate you guys tuning in today, man. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We got that thing sold. It's out of here. So, man, you know what that means. It's on to the next one. You know, we lost a little money on that truck, but hey, man, it is what it is. You got to know when to, you know, stop while you're ahead and, you know, get what you can out of it and move on to the next one. Don't let nothing hold you up, man. So you learn from every mistake and everything you do, man. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.